Ready to unlock seamless Apple Pay transactions on your website and ditch those frustrating authentication errors? Then follow along, because in the next 90 seconds, we're going to demystify the process of hosting your Apple Pay verification file, paving the way for secure and reliable Apple Pay payments. First, locate the Apple Pay verification file provided by your payment processor or Apple. It will typically be named something similar to Apple Developer. This file is your key to proving domain ownership to Apple. Next, you'll need to create a specific directory structure on your web server using your hosting provider's file manager or an FTP client. Navigate to the root directory of your website. Inside the root directory, create a folder named Well-Known. Be precise with the spelling, capitalization matters. Then, within the Well-Known folder, create another folder named Apple Developer. Now, upload your Apple Pay verification file into this newly created Apple Developer folder. Double-check that the file name is correct and that it's placed in the right directory. Almost there. Now, let's verify the file is accessible. Open a web browser and enter the URL for your verification file. The URL should follow this pattern: your domain com/wellknown/Apple Developer Merchant id Domain Association /Apple Developer Merchant id Domain Association txt. If you can see the contents of the file in your browser, congratulations! You've successfully hosted your Apple Pay verification file. If not, carefully retrace your steps to ensure the directory structure and file name are correct. That's it. You're now one step closer to accepting Apple Pay payments on your website. Like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more e-commerce tutorials. #Apple Pay verification #domain setup.